The rise of the chatbots. Don't get left behind. It's 2025. The future is here. Technology changes fast. AI is everywhere. One powerful tool is the AI chatbot. These helpful assistants are changing the way businesses connect with customers. Think of a chatbot as your 24/7 online helper. They never sleep. They are always ready to answer questions. Chatbots are crucial for small businesses to compete. Ignoring them could cost you sales and customers. Don't get left behind. Embracing AI chatbots can transform your business. It's time to adapt and thrive. Sarah owns a small salon. She was struggling to manage appointments. Customers called during busy hours. Sarah missed calls. She lost potential business. Then, Sarah discovered AI chatbots. She added a chatbot to her website. The chatbot schedules appointments 24/7. It answers common questions about services and pricing. Now, Sarah never misses a lead. Her customers love the convenience. The chatbot freed up Sarah's time. She can now focus on what she loves, her clients. AI chatbots offer numerous benefits for businesses. Here are 4 key advantages. Firstly, chatbots offer 24/7 appointment booking. No more missed calls or frustrated customers. Your chatbot is always there to schedule appointments, even outside of business hours. Secondly, chatbots provide instant answers to frequently asked questions. Customers get the information they need right away. This improves their experience and saves you valuable time. Thirdly, chatbots can qualify leads. They collect customer information and identify potential sales opportunities. This helps you focus on the hottest leads and convert them into paying customers. Finally, chatbots drastically improve response times. Customers receive instant replies, creating a positive and efficient experience. Faster responses lead to happier customers and increased sales. Case study, Blooming Business, how one flower shop increased sales by 40%. My flower shop was struggling to keep up with online orders, says Emily, owner of Blooming Beautiful. Customers had questions about arrangements and delivery options, and I couldn't always answer the phone. Emily decided to implement an AI chatbot on her website. The results were amazing, she says. The chatbot handled all the basic inquiries, freeing up my time to focus on fulfilling orders. My online sales increased by 40% within 3 months. Emily's story is not unique. Countless businesses are experiencing significant growth thanks to AI chatbots. Ready to grow? Get your chatbot today. Don't wait any longer to harness the power of AI for your business. Numerous free chatbot templates are readily available. Setting up your chatbot is simple and can be done quickly. Embrace the future of customer interaction and watch your business thrive. Don't fall behind. Get your chatbot today.